Hello everybody, today we're doing a same day PS5 HDMI port replacement. Let's dig in. Alright, so surprisingly it was really clean, so no real cleaning needed, but there is liquid metal displacement. We'll address that upon reassembly here. But I got the board prep, the port prep, let's dig in. Alright, there doesn't appear to be any torn pads. I will gladly take it. Gladly accept. No torn pads. Ten seconds seems to be good. 10 seconds or longer. Someone wants to put up a fight. It's like, what's that? You're running low on time? Oh, slow down a bit. Doesn't want to clear either. Clear, I tell you. Jeez, man. Come on, that one hole doesn't want to clear. Hey, there we go. Didn't come out perfect, but it will work great. Well reinforced. That came out beautiful. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug it out. Well, let's take care of the displacement and then plug it in and test it. Alright, so that's the displacement on the APU. Let's take care of it. That's what it leaves on the Q-tip. Never really does it justice, but it has like a mirrored finish now. Big old dry spot on the heatsink. We'll take care of that as well. Again, you can't really see it, but it's a glassy finish. Alright, let's test it out. Hey, we're back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you'd like to show more support, we do have memberships which include perks. New videos dropped every Sunday. Be sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.